Why does your body suddenly blast air out with a loud achoo? Let's discover the science behind sneezing. Sneezing is actually your body's defense system. When dust, pepper, smoke, pollen, or germs enter your nose, the inside lining of the nose becomes irritated. Your brain quickly receives danger signals from the nerves inside the nose. Then the brain sends a message to the chest, throat, eyes, and lungs to work together. Suddenly, your lungs push out air at very high speed through the nose and mouth. This is called a sneeze. Sneezing helps remove harmful particles and protect the body from infection. During a sneeze, your eyes close automatically, your chest muscles tighten, air can travel very fast. That's why covering your mouth and nose while sneezing is important. It stops germs from spreading. Sneezing is one of the body's amazing protective reflexes. Your body protects you every second without you even noticing. Like and subscribe. Thank you.